FTX Price Prediction 2025. Hey there guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. Just a quick reminder, if you're watching the video for the first time, please like and share it. Remember also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This episode involves conducting price prediction for the FTX crypto. Do you have any idea what crypto is? Here is a quick wrap-up. This cryptocurrency derivatives exchange provides futures, leveraged tokens, and over-the-counter OTC trading, with an emphasis on institutional-grade solutions for cryptocurrency trading. The FTX token serves as the foundation of the FTX ecosystem, which was created to boost network effects and demand for FTT, while simultaneously decreasing the amount of FTT in circulation. An increase in FXT token holders is a sign of the currency's viability. During its ICO in February, FXT attracted more than 14,200 token holders, a rise of 14,133%. As a digital currency for various payments and trade, FXT tokens are based on Ethereum's blockchain and promise to provide increased transparency, speed, and efficiency. For now, they stand alone as a unique digital currency in a whole new financial ecosystem, the Forex trading market. FXT has emerged as an ideal project to HODL and earn due to its potential and price. At a time of high volatility in the crypto market, particularly the falling crypto price, a 24-hour trading volume of USD 9,669,939 was recorded for the FXT token at the time of this presentation. The FXT token is paving the way for newcomers to the crypto industry with a modest entrance fee. CoinMarketCap, Bilaxy, FatBTC, and ProBit Exchange all feature FXT token, making it simple to purchase using USD. This is why it is as popular as an investment vehicle. CoinMarketCap identified it as one of the top gainers. In the future, FXT token is expected to be listed on more well-known exchanges. The price of FXT tokens will rise as a result of this, increasing the profit margins of FXT token holders. The framework for the FTX token. Blockchains have inundated the financial landscape, and the financial ecosystem is rich with segregated individual micro-tokens, which has resulted in a highly fragmented cryptocurrency ecospace. As a result, the whole operation of the FTX token, FTT, is dependent on the token's ability to distinguish itself from the competition in the crypto environment. FTX has arisen as a fresh cryptocurrency exchange in the cryptocurrency market, with a particular emphasis on assisting cryptocurrencies in gaining traction. FTX token provides traders with a one-of-a-kind platform that inspires their devotion, while also providing them with a slew of powerful features that are unheard of in traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and others. FTX token, the FTX token team. FTX token specialists are supported by a team of devoted professionals who are hands-on in their devotion to technical understanding on blockchain algorithms. They work around the clock to ensure the project is successful. CEO and founder Sam Bankman-Fried is the first person on the organogram. He is followed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and COO Sina Nader, in that order. The characteristics of the FTX token are exceptional. FTX token provides a number of advantages to all of its investors, encouraging them to acquire and sell the token while considering it a beneficial investment. When investing in FTX, also known as Coin FTT, traders are convinced that they will obtain a good return on their investment. Not only does FTX token provide scalability and speed, but it also has been shown to be stable and trustworthy. By offering a customized FTX token and cold wallet solution, complete external backing of all FTX wallet funds, and agreements with industry-leading custodians, FTX token has amassed a substantial following among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. As a result of the integration of stablecoins, FTX token has gained an advantage in terms of providing more liquidity, allowing for a quicker and safer trading experience. Other advantages include withdrawal, deposit, and user-friendly transactions, to name a few. FTX Token also has a variety of other capabilities. The FTX Token is a symbol of corporate social responsibility. According to the nonprofit arm of FTX Token, regulation and compliance are the guiding principles that should be applied across the whole ecosystem of FTX Token. As a vital actor in the advancement of technology, the FTX Foundation has cooperated with organizations all over the globe to maximize the potential of innovative technology. The governance system is open to all stakeholders and is not susceptible to capture. The Human League, the OpenAI, the GiveWell Foundation, and Altruism are some of the most prominent members of the social networking for charitable organizations. It is held in high regard as a pioneer in the cryptocurrency industry, primarily because it is more than simply a platform for hosting the native token FTT. It is also more scalable than other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptocurrency market. Nonetheless, in terms of return on investment for the previous year, Ethereum was the winner. History of the FTX token price. The FTX token has elevated it to the forefront of next-generation solutions. This cutting-edge technology has been shown to be effective in breaking away from traditional methods of doing business in the market. The native currency of FTX token, FTT, which is exchanged on numerous exchanges by millions of users across the globe, has yet to establish itself as an investment-worthy currency in the mainframe of investment-worthy currencies. FTX token has overcome the inertia that existed at the beginning of its existence, resulting in increased consumer trust and profit for both investors and traders. Price of FTX token has increased significantly over the last several months, indicating a considerable growth in demand. FTX token has reached an all-time high of $63.08 in the previous month, marking a new record. However, after that, the FTX price had a precipitous drop and it is presently trading at $34. The irregular and changing behavior of the FTX token price in the cryptocurrency market has been one of the most often and intensely noted characteristics of the token. It shocks with downward bear pinning, down action with exhibiting the best bullish trends possible. As a newcomer to the market, this crypto asset has struggled to establish momentum with investors due to the market's skepticism about its intrinsic potential. Price prediction for the FTX token, 2022 to 2025. A thorough investigation into the facts and numbers of the FTX token, FTT, reveals a completely different narrative than what is often assumed. Despite having significant long-term potential and the promise of optimistic trading, the token has several reasons to work further harder in order to compete on par with its larger rivals. According to our cryptocurrency estimates, a technological reorganization may also be necessary in order to restore the price shine. To demonstrate more agility in making drastic changes to the basics of the project, the developers will need to do a great deal of reworking. Although FTX token, FTT, did not outperform throughout the previous year, the fact that most of its rivals, including FTX token, did not mesmerize might assist in pushing the price to its all-time high. Price predictions for the FTX token in 2022. With appropriate volume and supply, there are projections that the FTX token, FTT, may see an upswing even in the following year, i.e. in 2022. If the current optimistic trend continues, maintaining a historical view of the sequence of consecutive highs and lows, the price of FTT only continues to reflect a positive trend amid the retreating pandemic scenario, reaching a high of $72. Price prediction for the FTX token in 2023. It is possible that FTX token, FTT investors would suffer a little loss as a result of catching up with competitors, but the loss would be minimal, with the price chart decreasing to $70 in the process. However, this remains a gloomy prospect, and some experts do not believe that this disease will affect investing advice in the near future. Price prediction for the FTX token in 2024. It is predicted that FTX token will once again dominate the crypto market, with the price of $85. This is despite the fact that a jaw-dropping possibility does not exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. This is a growth ratio that is practically identical to the one expected by the end of the year 2021, demonstrating that FTT has the full capacity to maintain itself in the market for digital assets in the future. Price Prediction for the FTX Token in 2025. According to our long-term estimates, the year 2025 may be remembered as the year when the FTX token price is expected to reach $90 on a global scale by all means. In conjunction with widespread acceptance, the chart shows that the FTX token price is expected to reach about $92 at its maximum by 2025, representing an increase in both price and demand for the cryptocurrency on a scale never seen before in the crypto market, making it an excellent investment. Hey there, guys. If you have enjoyed today's video, then please give it a big like and be sure to subscribe to our channel. We will see you all on our next video, and until then, thank you for watching.